Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're starting off with 43. This is the black polish from Ugly Duckling, and the way I like to do most of my polishes, or specifically dark polishes, because I always end up hitting my cuticle area, is I go 2/3 down the nail and push towards that cuticle. So I kind of get that polish behind the brush and then push it towards the front. And I only do one coat of these on the pointer and the pinky. Coming in with that foil glue from Makart, and this stuff is awesome. I truly really like this stuff. Thank God they have a cure gel now versus just the like $1 nail art glue. I absolutely love this glue. So I will apply this all on both of those nails, the middle and the ring finger, and then we are going to cure that. I believe it's a 30-second cure, and you cure it full time. So like where chromes, you do like a partial cure for top coats. No, you do a full cure of this. I am taking the silver, and you're like, wait, it was orange in the thumbnail. Yeah, so we are actually going to change the color of this. I know, we getting crazy, okay? So the way I lay foils down, this one does not matter as much because there's so much pattern to it, is that I lay it down in the middle and then push it out from there. That way your middle will give you the cleanest design, and if it's on the side, it's not that big of a deal if there's like a wrinkle or like a bubble. And then that cloth is the best thing ever. So take something that you can give it almost like a massage, just something that doesn't have like friction, you know, so you can just really get it in there. So I carefully place it in the middle, and then I move down the side of the nails, and then you can see I take that cloth, and it really helps me just be able to really burnish it in. Come in with a matte top coat, because over inks you definitely want a matte top coat. I'm taking Evie inks. I have a review on this. This is the number 3, which is their orange. So now that ink is turning our silver orange. I know, mind blown, right? Let that dry and then apply your matte top coat, because we're gonna go in and stamp some pumpkin faces. Taking clear jelly stamper, I believe this is 21, and we're gonna stamp. That's right. I'm using just Bundle Monster Black, I think, because I just had it from when I first got it. I'm almost low. So I'll probably end up getting clear jelly stamper next time I place an order. So yeah, just placing 2 pumpkins. I experimented this I think I tried like 3 times and it just didn't come out because I added too many pumpkins. So I just went with 2 on each and I had to do the creepy one on both because obviously. So I'm coming in with, I believe this is the angled brush, and I think I switched to the longer brush, meaning like a striper brush, I think, to outline the pumpkins, because I'm doing this and this took me quite some time because I wasn't quite sure how I really wanted to shape the pumpkins because I didn't want them to be the same shape. I know it happens. It's okay. Sometimes you overthink them. So once I kind of get my groove going, I go ahead and cure that. Flash cure if you need to. Highly recommend if you are one like me who messes up. This one wasn't too bad. I didn't feel like I needed to flash cure really. But if you do, don't be afraid to flash cure. It's okay. So again, we will just go ahead and fill in the sides of the pumpkin. Took some Stick It, adding some crystals. I really wanted the pinky and the pointer to kind of disappear, but also have a little something to when like it hits the right light, it will sparkle or do something kind of fun. Taking a glossy top coat here, and we're gonna make some drips. So I already put the matte top coat on, and now we're just gonna take glossy top coat and add those drips. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to pay attention to the 13 nights for that giveaway clue. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.